The Court of Appeal has overturned a finding of professional misconduct against attorney and Portland Eastern MP Isat Buchanan. The ruling relates to comments he made in 2020 about former DPP Paula Llewellyn. In a unanimous decision today, the court said the disciplinary committee of the General Legal Counsel acted unfairly and breached principles of natural justice. It also found that the committee erred in law, that the court set aside the misconduct ruling and all sanctions and ordered the GLC to pay Buchanan's legal costs. The judges also ruled that the committee improperly relied on the sub judice rule without giving Buchanan adequate notice to respond. Now, still to come this evening, PM urges strengthening of ODPEM ahead of hurricane season. And in business news, JC revenue holds amid economic shock and rising costs. Stay with us. We'll be right back.